Hi there, fellow affiliate marketers. Welcome back to another YouTube video to go to place for tips and strategies to elevate your Amazon affiliate game. In today's video, we are diving into the heart of affiliate marketing success by unlocking the secret of the top niches on affiliate marketing. So, today I will show you or I will talk about the top 5 niches that you can use if you want to boost your business on affiliate marketing. Now, you may be wondering why this niches. Well, it's simple. This niches is very important before you start any to choose the niche is very important before you start any online business because there is some things you have to stay updated with as a beginner. You don't have any experience. Even if you have a little bit of experience, you have to stay updated, you have to stay focused. If you have then you will have experience and you can go with another niches, more than one business, wherever you want. But in the first time, it's better to stay focused in one niche and work hard for one product or one niche, not one product. Now, those products or niches that I will show you, the area where people are always looking for great product. Wherever you are a pro just starting, these niches offers ton of opportunities, and you will find out that whatever you are going to any year, you will find out that these 5 niches always between the top niches on affiliate marketing, even on Amazon, on other or another platform. So stick around as we break down to the secrets of affiliate success in the top 5 niches in this year in ready. Let's start. Now, like you see here, I just opened this account to do it as an example. So like you see here, yesterday I worked for 30 minutes just with a link of one product I posted just on Pinterest and Instagram. I downloaded some random videos of that product. I didn't do that much market researches. I just want to know if my account is working and the link is working. And like you see here, it's work. I have some clicks and I have some impressions on Instagram, or also some views on Instagram. If I go here, you will find out that I got some views, and also I've got some comments and I've got some interactions on Pinterest, which is I'm focused on Pinterest the most. Like you see here, it's the same. The videos that I posted here, I posted on Instagram, but I want to focus on Pinterest to see the results from here first. I didn't post nothing on TikTok because I have some problem using TikTok because of my location. Also on so I used just these two platforms. Now this 5 niches always between the top. So you can use one of those niches. If you want to do more market research, you can just go and search for those niches if you want to and see which one you want to choose, or you just go and choose one that you are interested in, or see the one that has more demand this year or whatever. Now you have to choose the winning product, and I will tell you how to do that even if it's not the video. But now you know the niches, you have to know the strategy is like this. You have to choose the niche, you have to choose the winning product, you have to start the promote with the best and high quality pictures, and more consistent every day, and you will see results. And also create a blog or wherever you are going to promote your link in. You have to create social media accounts, whatever you want to choose. To find the winning product, I use, for example, here TikTok made me buy it, and you will find some viral videos. It's videos that like for online businesses. You just click TikTok made me buy it, and you will find some trending products. So here, this video is for drop shippers, but you can see this video. You will find the trending product that they are talking on, and you can go to Amazon and search for that product and see if they have. And also, once you have a product on your mind, and once you go to um, platforms, read customer review on e-commerce platforms, and you can see the common problems or desires that customers express, and use this information to refine your product selection. Now let's say you find out the product and you are done. Or let me give you another ways. For example, you have here, once you select a niche, you have to do some market research if you want to find the best product. For example, analyze current market trends and find products that are in high demand. Consider using tools like Google Trends, social media insights, or e-commerce platforms. And also you can utilize e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon. Um, they have sections showcasing trending and popular products, so you can explore these sections for finding the winning product or for inspiration. Now, let's say you found the trending product you are looking for. All you need to do is go to your Amazon and search for the product, and you will find here. So, if you don't know before, first thing, if you don't know how to open an account on Amazon affiliate program, I will leave the video in the description so you can see the step by step guide how to do that, and you can follow those steps. It's so easy. All you need to do is have some blog. Before that, you have some website wherever you are going to promote those link in, or social media accounts, because on those steps you have to enter those informations. So the video in description, and now you found the product. All you need to do is come here and you will click on get a link. You will find it. Once you click on it, they will give you the link, and this is the full link if you didn't know, but you will just click on the short link and copy this, and now you have the link of the product ready. You will go to ChatGPT and you will give him the name of the product, and you will tell him to give you some descriptions, not one, but some short descriptions about this product, 10 or whatever, and he will give you those descriptions. Also, you can use hashtags once you post those pictures or videos about the product. Now you have the link, description, the pictures, high quality pictures, and you downloaded some videos of that product on TikTok. Just search for the product, you will find it without watermark, of course, and then start post. And every video, post a description and post that you have the link on your bio. But on Pinterest, you don't have to do that link on bio because every post has his link, not like Instagram. Just post the link in bio. If you want to promote more than one product, for example, you choose home product niche, and you don't want just to stick, for example, here on washing machine for like this, you can go and use Linktree to post more than one link of not one product. If you don't know how to do that, sorry, just tell me on comments and I will do a video explaining how to use this. And it's so perfect for people who are changing products every day. Hope this was helpful for you guys. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, and